Hello.
Hello,
Hi. My name is Maddie. What's your name?
my name is Ramzan. Hello, Maddie, how are you?
Good. Ramsan?
Yes, Ramzan.
Okay, perfect. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Awesome. Nice. So it's nighttime. Yeah?
Yes, it's not the simple night, it is about to be morning. I mean, it's 2 o'clock, 2 a.m.
That's pretty early. You like to stay awake all night or
Yes, yes.
okay. But do you work during the day or when do you sleep?
Mm, I sleep at 8 o'clock
Uh-huh.
in the morning
Oh, okay. That works, I guess.
because I love silence and
Uh,
that I can get in the nighttime.
mm-hmm. That's true.
Yes. So
Yep.
what's your profession?
I am a social worker.
Hmm.
But I also am a certified English as a second language teacher. So on the weekends, I teach. How about you? What do you do for work?
I am a software developer.
Uh-huh. So do you
Yes,
do like coding, Python, C++,
yes, yes,
all that stuff?
yes, correct.
Okay, nice. What kind of projects do you work on? Is it like building or more like websites?
Yes, yes, I develop websites, mobile apps. So I have my own products. So I'm also working on my own projects.
Hmm. Do you
Yes,
make like applications for like phones
yes,
or uh-huh, cool.
yes.
How long have you been working as a developer?
From last 3 years, I am working as a developer. Now I am becoming a designer also because I have started my own work as a freelancer. So I have to manage everything.
Uh-huh.
So I am my boss and I work
Hmm.
as a designer. I work as a developer. I manage the things by my own. I don't have any team. So I am looking for good persons so that I could connect with them and share the work.
Hmm. So you're your own I just hit my plant, sorry. You're your own boss and you were studying your own company, is that right?
Yes, actually, I was working in a company, but I left the job. And then after I started my own work, I have my own clients, so I'm serving them
Hmm.
and also working on my own websites.
Nice. That's really awesome. Your English is really good. How long have you been practicing English?
Actually, when I started my job, so no, when I quit my job, then after I had the great need of English because I have to communicate with my clients. Those
Hmm.
were not living in my country, they were out from my country. So
Hmm.
at that moment, I must have that type of communication skill that I could able to share the problem, I could understand their problems, so that's why I practiced, and now you are saying that I am good in communication. So maybe.
I can understand what you're saying clearly, which is good. And I've asked some tough questions and you've been able to understand and respond. So that's why I said that your English is good because you still have an accent, but you comprehend what I am saying. So that's awesome.
Yes, yes.
Um,
Actually, I'm trying to work on my accent now.
I think your accent is fine. Like it doesn't get in the way of me understanding, but of course everyone has an accent. So, it's just it depends if you want to work on your accent or if you want to learn more words or more grammar or more things like that. Um,
Yes, I am also interested to learn more words. So, what you will recommend me the way to memorize more and more words?
Memorize. I wouldn't suggest trying to memorize new
Mhm.
words, but um, if you've been on Cambly, you've probably had this link sent to you before. I sent you a chat, but a good way to learn new words is just read about topics like articles or
Mhm.
news about things that are not related to technology or to software developing.
Yes.
So read about nature or read about space travel because these things are different vocabulary words than what you see all the time. So it will make a bigger circle of words in your brain.
Yes, yes, correct. And what about confidence level? Actually, you are away from me and you are a girl. So I am able to communicate with you, but on in offline, I cannot respond to any girl. So I lose my confidence. So what you will suggest to that what are the things that I can develop so that I get that type of confidence?
Okay, so for one thing, um, confidence comes from practice. And
Mhm.
the more you practice, the more confident you will be with no matter who you're talking to, whether it's a new team member for your company, if you're
Mhm.
hiring someone, or if it's like someone you want to get to know uh, personally, right? But practicing different vocabulary words for different conversations will boost your confidence. And or like when you go read something, try to speak out loud when you read it,
No, no, no.
so that
You could not get my point. The point is that I have the problem with females, not the male.
okay, but it shouldn't matter who you're talking to when you
Mhm.
practice English, because either way, you should be confident in what you're saying, because the words don't change whether the person listening is female or male, right? Like practice comes from practicing different types of learning, right? Reading, listening, talking, right? And if you do that, then it will come better when you talk to females or males, right?
Okay.
Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Kind of?
Yes, you are saying that when I will have good knowledge, then I will have definitely the confidence.
Yes, but it takes time and practice. So you won't be perfect right away, but
Mhm.
knowing that, you just keep working towards it and you will get there.
Yes, yes, sure, sure. So, other than that, for example, you started your communication. So, have you done any public speaking before?
No, I haven't.
So, for example, if you will be doing anywhere, so do you have the confidence to speak?
I think so. I think knowing what I would say beforehand, right? Like if you have note cards to read, that
Mhm.
helps. Um, or knowing what your topic is about, right? So,
So, for example, actually yesterday I was also connected with one of tutor. So, I asked her one question that introduce yourself. So she loses the confidence. So in the same way, I'm interested to ask you the same question, so that I get to know that what type of things we need to explain when someone is asking this type of question.
mhm,
So, for example, I'm asking you, introduce yourself.
mhm. So
So
I would say,
professionally, how you will respond?
so I would say, hi, my name is Maddie. I teach English and I like to cook when I have free time. I enjoy going outside. You say things that you like, and then say things that are general so that you, when you ask me, can relate. So you'd be like, I also like to cook. And then you talk about cooking, right? So
Okay.
that's a good way to start is general topics, big topics, like cooking, traveling, all these things, right? People can relate and talk back about them.
So, no, for example, in the interview, if someone will be asking, then
So okay, we have 20 seconds, but in an interview, you would say what you bring to a team. So what you're good at, your skills, your writing power, like these things like that you're good at on the phone. Those are important things to bring up during a professional interview.
Oh,
3 seconds, but it was really nice to talk to you.
okay, thank you.